The bear market is over. I mean, the real bear market. Now, I believe we are entering the accumulation phase of the 4-year cycle, where you should be looking to invest in the most promising crypto projects out there that have strong fundamentals, solves a particular problem, and they are here to stay. Because we are not trying to do some DJing trading here on this channel and get rich quick, invest in some pump and dump schemes, and really stay up at night thinking whether we are going to get wrecked in the next few days or make life-changing money. There is this misconception that crypto is all about catching the wave, and that you can get rich in less than a year or so. But the truth is, the people who are genuinely getting wealthy with crypto are the long-term investors, the people who are willing to wait a few years, and not the ones that are trying to trade every leg up or leg down, or buy the bottom and sell the top. However, crypto is not only about fundamentals and all that good stuff, it's about speculation as well. In fact, some of the major price-moving factors are narrative and speculation. And speaking about narrative, it seems very clear at this point that the narrative for the next bull run will be AI, or artificial intelligence. And that's why in this video I'm gonna show you some of the top 3 AI crypto projects that you should definitely keep an eye on, because most of them saw multiple exits within a few weeks and we are not even in a bull market yet. So bear in mind that when I say the bear market is over and we are in the accumulation phase, I do not mean we cannot go lower from this point. That's why I wouldn't suggest you rush into investing in these projects, and as a matter of fact, I don't suggest you invest in them in general, because these recommendations are not financial advice and the purpose is only educational. But apart from that, I think this year will be very choppy, and we saw a very decent rally at the beginning of 2023, and even though we might get even higher up to 25 or 30k, I expect a decent pullback at some point, and pretty much a sideways action for the rest of the year, with a few rallies here and there. And with that in mind, I think we will have better opportunities down the road to get into our favorite crypto projects, whether they are AI or not, so don't let the FOMO mess up your strategy. But since this video is about some of the top 3 AI crypto coins, I think it's time to finally see which is the first one on the list, and I wanna let you know that I will cover only the most important stuff about these projects, so I don't waste your time and you actually understand what these projects are all about and what kind of potential they have. So the first one on the list is Cortex. Cortex claims to be the first decentralized world computer capable of running AI and AI-powered dApps on the blockchain. So what this essentially means is that Cortex allows AI execution on the blockchain itself, as opposed to being passed off to a centralized server to handle the AI portions of it. Apart from that, they introduced a layer 2 solution on the Cortex blockchain called ZK Matrix, which is basically a ZK rollup technology that batch transactions, turning them into one, so they can significantly increase the transaction speed and reduce the fees. They have their own virtual machine called Cortex Virtual Machine, or CVM, which is EVM compatible with added support for on-chain AI inference, which basically utilizes the GPU instead of the CPU to execute non-trivial AI models on the Cortex chain. It also adds machine learning support to smart contracts and dApps to adapt to real-world use cases. Also, developers can use Solidity and AI models on the Cortex storage layer to create AI-enhanced dApps and smart contracts. Their goal is to create an open ecosystem where individual AI developers upload their AI models to the blockchain, and dApp developers can have access to choose from the best AI models in the world, and the competition will make the models better and better. So the main thing you want to know about this project is that they allow decentralized, transparent, on-chain AI execution on dApps that include machine learning models with their Cortex virtual machine, and dApp developers can integrate AI into their smart contracts to build amazing applications. If we take a look at this coin on CoinMarketCap, we can see it was launched during the 2018 bear market, and it went all the way up to $2.34. Since then, it's been basically on a downtrend, and it didn't see a good rally in the last bull run. However, we can notice that it made around 10x returns in the last bull market, and the recent pump shoot up the price more than 4 times, without even being in the bull market yet, just because of the hype around AI. So we have data that the price can easily go to $2.34, but I personally think it can go much higher, maybe something like $10 to $15, which will basically represent around 50x from the current price. And one of the reasons I think this way is that the current market cap of this AI crypto coin is around $60 million, and 50x will basically put the market cap at $3 billion. And so if we take a look at this historical snapshot from the last bull run, we can see so many projects around the $3 billion level, and many of them are just, they're not so good. And another thing that is definitely worth mentioning is the Cortex fully diluted market cap. As you can see, almost 70% of the total supply is currently in circulation, and the difference between the market cap and the fully diluted market cap is barely existing. I mean, I realize that the difference is more than $20 million, but I say barely exists compared to many other projects that have an insane difference that should definitely scare you. And if you don't know what a fully diluted market cap means, this is is basically how much would be the market cap if the total supply goes 100% in circulation. So these numbers are definitely bullish, and I'm gonna keep a very close eye on this project. Moving on to the next one on the list, and that is Alethea. Alethea is the world's first multimodal AI system that generates interactive AI characters from a description in natural language that is called Character GPT. And as the name suggests, they actually use the OpenAI's API to get access to GPT-3, which is the same language model that powers the famous ChatGPT. So considering what ChatGPT is capable of, it is safe to assume that the potential here with this innovative text-to-character model is quite big. But what is actually Character GPT? Well, this is an artificial intelligence system that allows users to generate interactive characters with distinct appearances, voices, intelligence, personalities, and identities simply by providing a natural language description. All that will be in form of an NFT, so you will have the full ownership proved on the blockchain, and you can constantly improve the intelligence of that NFT and make it more valuable. Alethea partnered with a decentralized application called mycharacter.ai, which enables the generation of a variety of interactive and emotionally expressive AI characters. However, you can use Alethea's Character GPT AI for your existing NFT with a process called Fusion. How the Fusion process works is, you are linking Alethea's personality pod with your NFT and then go through Alethea's AI INFT protocol, and you turn your NFT into an INFT, which stands for Intelligent NFT. And how they describe this INFT is, they compare it to humans, and basically the image that you currently have as an NFT is the body, the soul is Alethea's AI personality pod, and the mind is Alethea's AI INFT protocol. And combining all that, you bring your profile picture NFT to life, not just by making it moving around like what was the NFT trend for a while, but you actually have an intelligent NFT now that can have a unique voice, personality, identity, and train it to become more and more intelligent. All that by natural language input. And here comes the use case of the Ali token and what makes it valuable. And Ali stands for Artificial Liquid Intelligence. Basically, to be able to use the INFT protocol and turn an NFT into an INFT, you must lock a certain amount of Ali tokens within that protocol. So you don't just have to buy the token, which means the price of the token will go up, but you will have to lock it as well. So it will incentivize holding, and that means less sell pressure. Also, they have this intelligence level system where in order to level up your INFT and make it smarter, you have to buy more tokens, and the higher the level, the more tokens you need to buy. And again, these tokens have to be locked as well, not just bought. The Ali token will also be used as a governance token for the ecosystem, where people holding the token can vote for certain things regarding the future of the project. Another cool use case is collaborations between two INFTs. So you'll be able to collaborate with other INFTs that have different skills. For example, your INFT has a unique voice, and another one is able to generate music to create a song. So you can collaborate and divide any royalties. So overall, I think this project looks very interesting and promising, and it has this uniqueness that differentiates itself from the rest of the crypto market. In terms of price, I'm gonna go to CoinMarketCap again, and what we can see is that this coin is quite new. It was launched around a year ago, and it reached 10 cents at its all-time high. In 2023, you could have bought it below 1 cent, and it made around 5x so far because of the recent hype around AI. So again, not a great looking chart, but no one was talking about AI just a few months back. In terms of market cap, it has like double the market cap of Cortex, but the fully diluted market cap doesn't look nearly as good as Cortex one. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's definitely something to keep in mind. Moving on to the last one on the list, and that is SingularityNet. SingularityNet is a decentralized AI marketplace with a core mission to develop an AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, that won't be dependent on any central entity and is open to anyone. So this marketplace is basically for AI services that will be accessible through the blockchain, and so developers will publish their services to the SingularityNet network, and anyone can use them by paying with a native token called AGIX. And to give you an example of that, let's say you want to start a business, or you already have one, but you want to take it to the next level. What you can do is, you can go to SingularityNet AI marketplace and browse through the different AI services. If you find something interesting that would be actually useful and make you money eventually, you can easily purchase that AI with an AGIX token and install it on your website or phone app and offer that service to your customers. Sounds great, right? And another feature that they are working on that is not out yet is the ability to train your own AI models. So you will be basically able to train and customize models for AI services in the way you specifically need for your integrations. This will allow you to make the exact AI model for your needs, which can be very useful. There is a lot more technical stuff I can say about this project, but I really don't see the need to do it, because I'm sure most of you won't be even interested in that, and so So, simply put, this is what this project is all about. It's an AI marketplace that will offer different AI services that you can easily integrate in your website or phone app. In terms of price action, this is actually the best performing token for 2023 so far, and it already did 10x returns just within a month. Of course, don't rush into buying this or any of the other coins mentioned in this video, because there will be a decent pullback anytime soon. The price won't go up forever. Unlike the previous AI crypto project, this one is actually 5 years old, and it did like 60x during the last bull run. So even though the chart doesn't look fantastic, I can see a lot of potential in this project, especially considering that it reached one of its bull market peaks already, and we are not even close to the bull yet. In terms of market cap, this one has the biggest market cap of all three, but you can see that not too long ago, it was around the $50 million level before it made this parabolic run. And also, it is actually ranked within the top 100 coins, which definitely gives this project a lot of exposure. The fully diluted market cap is not great, but it's not terrible either. I think it's in a very good spot in terms of that. So that's pretty much for today's video. You can watch my other AI crypto recommendations in this video that popped up on the screen if you haven't done that already, and subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any future content. That's it for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.